Gut health is critical, especially if you're navigating your senior years and want to feel your absolute best. There is no getting around it. We absolutely have to talk about your gut. Your gut health is the command center for your entire well-being, and ignoring it is like letting the foundation of your house crumble. We're talking about an intricate ecosystem in there, and when it's out of whack, the ripple effects can be devastating, impacting everything from your energy levels to your brain health. Seriously, when your gut isn't happy, especially as a senior, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's a major red flag. Think about it. Poor nutrient absorption leading to deficiencies, a weakened immune system that makes you more susceptible to every bug going around, rampant inflammation that can worsen arthritis and other chronic conditions, and even a cloudy mind or low mood. Bad gut health can accelerate age-related decline, making you feel older, more tired, and less vibrant than you truly are. It's an urgent wake-up call because so much of your daily quality of life hinges on what's happening in your digestive system. But here's the fantastic news. It's not a lost cause. Taking steps to rest and reset your gut can be a game changer, and the benefits for seniors are immense. Imagine better digestion, actually absorbing all the goodness from your food, having more get up and go, a sharper mind, and a stronger defense system. When your gut is thriving, you'll feel more resilient, more energetic, and frankly, more youthful. It's like giving your internal engine a much needed tune-up so everything else can run smoothly. This isn't just about avoiding discomfort, it's about unlocking a higher level of health and vitality. So if you're thinking, okay, I'm convinced my gut needs some serious TLC, but where do I even start without it being a massive, complicated ordeal? Then you're in the right place. Dr. Stephen Gundry has some fascinating insights on how to kickstart this vital reset. He's got a plan that's not only effective, but also surprisingly straightforward, and it involves supercharging a familiar concept to get your gut back on track. Let's dive into how he suggests we can supercharge a gut reset using something as simple as, well, I'll let him tell you.
A supercharged cabbage soup diet for 4 days. Let's activate our gut and let's cleanse from the damage we've done. Now, why cabbage? Number one, cabbage soup is really easy to make. There's a billion recipes online. There's nothing special about it. But what I want you to do is add some super ingredients that will activate a hormone that I talk about in Gut Check called intestinal alkaline phosphatase, IAP. Why do I want you to do that? It turns out that IAP is one of the better hormones that repairs damage to the gut wall. And I guarantee you, the holidays are one of the better ways to damage the wall of your gut that anyone's ever invented, and you want to repair the wall of your gut. So the cruciferous vegetables are good at this, but onions, garlic, and turmeric are super ways to increase IAP. And don't forget to put in black pepper. Why? There's a compound in black pepper that activates all these compounds so that you absorb them even better. So get out your regular cabbage soup diet, throw in some root vegetables like Japanese radishes, like carrots, like sweet potatoes, turnips, parsnips. Throw in some turmeric root and onions and garlic and black pepper, and eat that for 4 days. That's your meal. The other thing that's going to happen is that cabbage, as a part of a cruciferous family of vegetables, turns on a receptor in the wall of our gut that I've written about before called the R receptor, AHR. And what happens is when these receptors are activated, these receptors tell your immune system, your white blood cells, to calm down, to not worry about what might be coming through the wall of the gut, and just chill out for a few days. It's exactly what we all want to do is chill out for the next few days. Want more ways to make this more interesting? I know, I don't want you to be miserable for 4 days. First of all, I'm a big fan of corn, and I'm not saying corn, C-O-R-N, I'm saying quorn, Q-U-O-R-N. Corn is a mushroom root-based meat that is in almost every vegetarian freezer section of your grocery store. It's phenomenal. It tastes like ground turkey or like pieces of chicken. So you can have corn grounds in your cabbage soup, or you can have chicken bits in your cabbage soup, so you don't get profoundly miserable. And that's actually a really good trick, just to change it up. And the great thing is you can make your standard batch of cabbage soup, and on day 2 or day 3, throw in the pieces of corn or throw in the grounds of corn and change it up for a day or so. You don't have to do that every day. It just gives you more options.
There you have it. Dr. Gundry's cabbage soup plan really drives home the beauty of simplicity, of using the right foods for a gut reset to cleanse and repair your gut. But there is more that you can do for a healthy gut, including, drumroll, taking a really hard, honest look at what you're putting into your body day in and day out. Because so often, the very things we think are harmless or even healthy could be silently waging war on our digestive system, leading to a cascade of issues that drag down our energy, cloud our minds, and just generally make us feel crummy. Take, for example, these 5 foods that are destroying your muscles and making you weaker as you age.